Today we're going to give you a quick overview of the tenders application. When we first log into Salesforce, we're brought to the home page. The home page gives us an overview of our work and of our day. On the top left, we have a report chart which shows us in real time how our current tender opportunities are progressing. In this case, we have our opportunities grouped by stage. If we scroll down, we're able to see some components which will help us navigate our day, such as today's events, our recent opportunities, our recently viewed records, and today's tasks. All of this is available on one screen to help us propel our team's productivity. One of today's tasks is to complete a tender review for the North Kimberley Resource Development Study. The key contact is Lauren Boyle, and if we hover over her name, we can bring up key contact information, as well as related opportunities and cases. Lauren works for United Oil and Gas Corp, and if we click into that link, it'll bring us to the account page. On the left-hand side, we can see the details section, where we can see information such as contact details, the type of client they are, what industry they're in, and a summary of our business with them. In the activities section on the right-hand side, we can see tasks, emails, and engagements that we've had related to this account. From here, we can create new tasks, log a call or engagement, or send an email directly from Salesforce. If we click on the Related tab, we can see a list of records associated with United Oil and Gas. Specifically, we can see information about which contacts are associated with the account, as well as past, present, and future opportunities that we've had with them. We've just clicked into the opportunity for North Kimberley Resource Development Study. In the details section, we can see information about the opportunity, such as the value of the opportunity, important dates, and how much we've invested into the tender. On the right-hand side, we can see information related to the opportunity, such as the approval history, products, external stakeholders, and who's working on the tender within the organization. As part of our tender management process, we can conduct go-get analysis to form business insights using our team's knowledge of our client, tender, and market conditions. Our insights and knowledge are transferred into weighted values within the tendering opportunity, and through this, we can get an indication of how we are posed to provide a competitive tender to our client, as well as see what market forces apply to our ability to be successful in this tender. In this scenario, the go-get percentage is used to apply a weighting to the tender amount, and it can also be used to categorize and prioritize our tender opportunities. Once we are ready to submit for approval, we update the status, which posts the opportunity into a group for review and collaboration. Once the post is shared, team members can comment and collaborate for any last changes to be made before the record is locked and submitted for formal approval. After a set time frame, backend automation logs the record, and the delegated user is prompted to approve or reject the bid decision, as well as write comments or feedback on the decision reason. We can then see this decision reflected on the opportunity's approval history. The tenders application Kanban board allows us to have a high-level view of our tenders pipeline, which we can easily manage through click and drag functionality. The tenders application provides real-time insights using your tender information and KPIs, showing them on declaratively configurable reports and dashboards. Some examples of possible dashboard components include tender pipeline, opportunities by stage or category, closed lost opportunities and reasons, and closed opportunities by outcome. The dashboards can be configured through click and drag to show you the information that's relevant to you. And drill down report capability makes it easy to see where your tender insights are coming from. If you would like to find out more about the tenders application or the services we provide at Silver Lining Cloud Solutions, please visit us at www.silverliningcs.com.au to get in touch.